Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to another exciting jQuery tutorial. Today we will learn how to filter and display specific elements dynamically using jQuery filters. Let's get started. So first of all, what are jQuery filters? Use jQuery filters to search and display specific elements dynamically. Filters helps users quickly find relevant content in table, list or any other elements. It's have real-time search which give no need to refresh the page, and case insensitive, it's work with uppercase and lowercase letters, and easy to implement. It's just a few lines of jQuery. Now here is the filters table examples. Now you can see perform a class insensitive search in a table for names, emails or other text. Here is the examples. Now you can see here, type in the input field to search the table for the first name, last name or emails. Now you can see here is the table. We open this in our code editor. Now you can see here we have style for table thtd. Now you can see here we use a table input field, or here we have a table like you can see here. Its table look like this. Now here we have a search box here. Now it's a table. Now what we have here we have a jQuery which have on method. Here we have a value, create a variable. Here we use a to lowercase method. Now here we use a filter method, and here we use a toggle method, then text method, and dot to lowercase method, and index of method. Now what happened here, what how it's work, it's a loop. Through each table tr and check if it matches the search inputs. uh, then the hide rows, you can see here that do not match the search query using dot toggle. And here is the convert. You can see here convert text to lowercase using to lowercase for case insensitive searching. Now you can see here is the to lowercase method. Now if we search n, now you can see which content contain n, it's give a those name. Now if we search f, now you can see it's have f, so that's why it's give a f name here. Now how this is, we are creating a filter table. Now the second is filter list. It search for items inside a list dynamically. Here is the example. Here you can see here is the syntax. Now here we use lots of dot on methods, like here we use this value method, and here we use a filter method. Now here we use a toggle method, and here we use a to lower method and index of javascript method. Now we open this in a code editor. Here we use a style, and you can see here we use a input field. Now you can see here we use a ul item list, and here is apple, banana, cherry, dragon fruit. Now you can see here how our outputs look like this. Now here is a javascript code. Here we use on dot on key up functions, which to lowercase, and item we list here. We can access this li from this, and dot filter functions we have used here. Now here we use a toggle method, and here we use a text method, and here we use a dot lowercase method, and here we use a index of method. Now it's filter each li item based on the search item inputs. Hide list items that do not match using a dot toggle. Here we use, and search in case is case insensitive. Apple, like small a double ple apple, and bigger a double ple and apple, all are matches. Now you can see here if we use h, now you can see cherry contain h, that's why it's give cherry. Now we use u, now you can see dragon fruits contain u, that's why it's filter. Now we use a. Now apple, banana, dragon fruits and grapes also contain a. Now if we use a double p, now you can see it's give only me a apple. Now if we use a er, now you can see it's only give me a cherry. Now if we use a t here, now it's only give me a dragon fruit. The third one is a filter any content method, like you can see here, uh, divs, paragraph, button, etc. It searches for a text inside any element such as paragraph, buttons or divs. Now here is the examples. Now you can see here we use a on method. Here we use variables which name value. Here we use a value method, and here we use a filter method, and here we use a lowercase method. Now we open this in our code editor. Now you can see here we have style here, and here is HTML code. Now filter, so here we are search. Now here is a div. I can see div have paragraph, div, button, two buttons and another paragraph like that. And here is the jQuery code. Now we use all method here. Now you can see static method for all. So here is the content box, and content box inside we use all the elements. So we filter all the elements. Now here we use a toggle method. Inside the toggle method we use index of value -1. Now how it's work: filter all child elements inside content box, hides elements that do not match the search tag, and work with paragraph, divs and button, etc. Now if we use a, now you can see it's give me a, it's filter a. Now if we use a para, now it's give me a two paragraph here. Now if we use a me, I can see element also have me, or click me also have me. Then the last one is a filter a drop down list, selects options, like we have filter options inside a drop down list dynamically. So here is the examples. Now you can see here is the code which have drop down list option here. Here we use a toggle method, here we use a text method, here we use a index of method. Now we open in our code editor. Now you can see here is the CSS. Now you can see, and here is our search input box, and here we have a select which have options New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Housetown, and Miami. Now you can see here we have filter drop down. Now you can see here we have store original drop down values here. Now here we have jQuery codes like append, empty and toggle. Like here we use a handle option selections. I can see. So how it's work: it's a filter options element inside the select drop downs, hide options that do not match the search input, provides a better user experience when selecting the long list. Now if we select, now you can see it's New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Houston and Miami. I am if we I want IA, so it's give me a Miami. Now you can see here if we use chi, so it's give me a Chicago, and we want EW, now it's give me a New York. If we want E, Los Angeles also have E, and New York also have E. So friends, look at the conclusions. jQuery filters allow real-time search in tables, lists, divs and drop-down. Use filter method to find matching elements, and toggle method to show hide them, and case-insensitive searching improve user experience. That's all for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.